Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are officially going to be working on the Scrambler. So the first thing we're going to be installing today is the windshield, because your girl just can't ride in these below freezing temperatures anymore without any wind protection. And then everything after that, I am so excited to announce that Moto Machines has officially sponsored this Scrambler build. So we have all kinds of fun little accessories to put on this bike, and the thing that I'm the most excited for is the luggage. I can't wait to not have to wear a backpack on this thing anymore. So obviously, since we're in the garage, that means it's a balmy 20 degrees out today, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll pop the Celsius conversion on here because I can't do it. We got our iced coffee here, and we're ready to get to work. So these are the boxes I have from Moto Machines. I have not opened them yet, and I honestly don't even remember what I ordered. Let's start taking her apart. I'm gonna try to do as much of this on my own as always, but I really, truly I'm way too ADD to actually read instructions and do things properly. So Jordan is here, not only as my cameraman, but my assistant to help me make sure I'm actually doing things right. Because we don't wanna talk about what happened the last time I installed a part on this Scrambler. Well, of course, I put the little mirror bracket on the wrong side. So instead of having the left-hand bracket, I had the right-hand bracket. So that's why I wasn't fitting with the brake fluid reservoir, which I honestly don't know that the other one's gonna work still. And then, so Jordan came out here, thank God, and he is helping me fix all of the screws, because apparently the little brackets, the holes that were screwed, like the drill bits, didn't actually drill like the threads properly. So the screws were all being, what, like almost stripped, right?
Yeah, they like left a metal burr on the inside and it's pushing metal out.
Yeah, here's a picture of what he's talking about. And it's just so incredibly frustrating. If he never came outside and explained that to me, I would have never figured it out. I would have ruined all the hardware, and I would have had to have spent another like $120 on just the mounting hardware for this. Like, I'm so frustrated right now. Yep, that's right. I put the handguards on backwards. Not my proudest moment, but hey, this is why we learn. So of course, we have literally not even started on this motorcycle yet, and we are coming to find out that the very first install, just the windscreen, is way more complicated than it needs to be. I purchased the OEM Triumph Scrambler windscreen part for this motorcycle, and after reading the instructions, I'm realizing that we have to completely disassemble all of these harnesses and hoses on both sides, and the bracket mounts inside, whereas literally every other windscreen for sale on the internet right now bolts on right here. And that's it. There's 2 bolts and you install the whole windscreen. Amazing. you look at that. Doesn't even look like I have a windscreen on because it's so clean. That'll change soon. To be completely honest, I almost rage quit on this windshield install 3 times. Jordan can attest to that. It took us an hour to put that little tiny part on. I'm gonna do the comparisons between the OEM Triumph part and all of the other parts I saw online and see if it's worth it, because at this moment, it was not worth it. Let's get to the rest. Finally digging into my parts. The first part is beautiful. So the luggage that I have for this Scrambler is the Hepco Becker. This is the Exceed side pannier, travel case. I don't know, dude. This thing is a suitcase. Oh, it's so pretty. Hey, my little light.
Oh, look, we get to take your headlight bolts off again.
I didn't even think of that. Well, I'm good at that. I can do that part. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the easiest part first, which is the headlight grill. So funny, because I literally just had this whole thing taken apart and I realized I need to put this on. Luckily it looks pretty plug and play, but you know me, so let's put this on. Try to put all the luggage brackets on. First we gotta take off the seat and take off the existing hand grip rail. Hey, something I'm good at. Anyway, we're about to start putting the mounting hardware for the luggage on, and I'm just so glad I did half of this off camera because I would get demonetized in 5 seconds. But anyway, the Triumph, you literally have to take the seat off, disassemble like the whole thing just to get to the nuts that are on the back of the bolts. And so taking the grip guard off, totally, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but my poor fender is all little scraped. But it's okay, she's a dirt bike. Just wanted to interject that. Jordan just took off the foot peg because on the left-hand side, that is where the luggage is gonna go. So let's get back.
Max load 11 pounds.
Is that for real?
That's 11 pounds.
11 pounds? Oh, girl. Uh-oh.
You better pack light.
No, you know I can't do that. So I will say this, like, moto machines and especially like the Hepco Becker stuff that I'm installing on this bike right now, not the OEM Triumph parts. Hepco Becker has legitimately been bolt-on so far. It's been actually really easy. The only thing we're running into is since we're putting 2 sides of like luggage carry-on, we kind of have to figure out which side goes on first. And putting this luggage rack on is kind of a 2-person job in order to get everything. So Jordan's been helping me out way more than I would like to admit, but I don't care, I just want to get it done. All right, let's see if this bad boy goes on. Let's see if we did it right.
Oh. That's kind of cool. So you stick it on there.
Ooh, ooh.
I'll have to adjust that. Wait, no, I see what you're supposed to do. Unlock it. Force forward.
All the new things. Take the key out. There you go. It'd be easier if you took the key out, but whatever.
Holy cow! That girl's on there.
Oh my god!
Yeah, you got a sidecar.
Holy hell, dude. I can't believe how big that is. That's what she said.
It's bigger than I am standing next to it.
Damn, girl.
Got a badonkadonk.
Let's take a guess. How many times do you think I'm gonna kick this?
Well, I mean, it's not on your swing leg, so.
Yeah. Alright, moment of truth. Putting the seat back on.
Yep, fucked it up.
I did.
Oh, God.
There we go.
One-handed.
Yo, I could fit a case of beer in this thing. Legitimately. Bye! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, huge shout out to Moto Machines for sponsoring this Scrambler build. The only other thing we have from them that we need to install is the center stand so that I can, you know, get the bike off of the kickstand and the wheels off the ground. But I think that's going to be a lot more intensive, so we might save that for our next video. As always, links to everything I have on this motorcycle right now will be down in the description. Once again, they were all sponsored by Moto Machines. They were given to me. After I use them and experience them, I will give you an honest review of what I think, but just on the Hepco and Becker products, the install was 10,000 times easier than this little can't. If you have not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button, continue hanging out with me on my channel. It would be super awesome. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I need all the help I can get because I struggled hard. Jordan did most of the work. Thank you so much, honey. I love you. And until the next video, you guys be good, and I will see you later.